Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Tell me about yourself.
My name is Prerana Limbu. I am 20 years old. I am from Parbat. I have 4 family members. My education level is 12 pass.
Okay, Prerana Limbu Miss, are you married?
No.
Are you physically fit?
Yes.
Are you ready to work hard?
Yes.
Okay, so can you tell me about your work experience?
I have 2 years of experience as dishwasher in Benzo Hotel and Restaurant.
Okay, Miss, so can you tell me the job and responsibilities of a dishwasher?
To set up the dish station and turn on dishwashing machine, loading and unloading dishes from dishwashing machine, washing all the pan and utensil that comes in contact with food, cleaning sink area and floor.
Okay, Miss, so you can work as a dishwasher in any European countries?
Yes.
You can work in any weather climate there?
Yes.
Do you have any medical health problem?
No.
Do you have any friends or relatives there?
No.
Okay, so are you willing to stay there for a long time?
Yes.
Okay, so you must complete a 2 years employment contract with the sponsored company. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay, so now you can show me your skill.
Yes.
Okay.